Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by updating both the Switch and Minecraft. This avoids version conflicts. Once done, dock or undock depending on your TV setup and set the output aspect ratio to 16:9 for optimal split layout. Make sure every controller is paired and has a player profile. Otherwise, they won't join. Press plus to verify controller assignment and confirm storage space for local worlds. These steps get you into the game quickly so you can focus on split screen itself. Don't skip the updates. You now load a local world on the main account. Realms and some servers block split screen, so pick local play. Once the world loads, have each additional player press the controller buttons shown on screen, typically L plus R or ZL plus ZR, or select Join. Their profile icon appears when connected. Adjust difficulty and reduce render distance if performance drops, because split screen divides the GPU load. Keep one player as host to manage permissions and saves, and confirm each new player. To finish, go into Minecraft settings and choose horizontal or vertical split depending on your screen and player preference. This changes visibility and comfort. Tweak HUD scale and brightness so both players can read text. Make sure text size isn't clipping. If a controller fails to join, repair it in Switch system settings, then reopen the world. This often fixes connection hiccups. And if frame rate stutters, drop render distance and effects. These simple changes keep the game smooth for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.